model, 2013 Nissan Primastar Dci long wheelbase, 2.0 Dci long wheelbase, needs turbo, still starts, drives no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 144,366. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R, 115 bhp, E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This is a straightforward servo replacement. Job: engine, clutch and gearbox are fantastic. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.